Many people have asked about the EasyEDA Professional Certification exam process, and quite a few have encountered issues during registration or the exam itself. Today, I will walk you through the complete process step by step to help you successfully go from registration to getting certified. The overall workflow is actually quite straightforward, but improper handling at certain key steps may affect your eligibility or final result. First, visit the official EasyEDA website and locate Programs in the top navigation bar. Select Certificate Program from the drop-down menu. Alternatively, you can search for OSHWLAB, navigate to the page, and click Activity at the top. The first option in the pop-up window is EasyEDA Professional Certificate. Note that the certification exam is currently open only for EasyEDA Professional. The standard version is not yet supported. Both methods lead to the same page. Once on the page, you will see an introduction to the certification exam along with an overview of the full process. It is recommended to skim through this first to get a complete picture of the exam. After passing the exam, you will receive an official EasyEDA certified e-certificate, which is available for download.